Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Today we will going to learn about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet component of Microsoft Office suite, which allows you to store, organize, calculate, and manipulate the available data. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculations. The data is spread in a tabular form consisting rows and columns. It provides inbuilt features and tools such as formulas, functions, and data analysis tools that make it easier to work with large amount of data. Features of MS Excel. Formulas are mainly used for performing simple and complex mathematical calculations. Functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating percentage, interest, average, etc. Formatting features improve the appearance of the data. The data is automatically recalculate the entire worksheet if any change is made in a single cell. Data can be searched quickly and, if required, replaced quickly. Quick data entry can be done in a large series of cells by using autofill option. Data can be viewed in graphical form such as chart, which help to understand and analyze the data. These advanced features have made Microsoft Excel the first choice for professionals to quickly perform lengthy accounting and financial tasks. The components of Excel window. The Excel 2016 program window displays many items that you can use to create and work with your workbook. Let us study about those items. Title bar. It shows the name of the open workbook file. File tab. When you click on the File tab, a backstage view appears which resembles a menu. In backstage view, you will find a list of commands such as save, open, etc. Ribbon. It displays group of related commands in tab. Ribbon tab. Each ribbon tab provides a set of tools related to an overall task you are likely to be performing in a specific document. Formula bar. It is used to enter and edit formulas. Worksheet window. The workbook contains sheet called worksheets. By default, workbook contains one worksheet. You can also add additional worksheets. Row and column headings. A worksheet is organized into a rectangular grid containing columns vertical and rows horizontal. A column letter above the grid is also called the column heading. Identifies each column. A row number on the left side of a grid, also called the row heading, identifies each row. Cell. A cell is the intersection of each column and row in a worksheet. A cell is the basic unit of worksheet in which you enter data. Active cell. Active cell has a dark border around it. The default active cell is A1. Cell reference. A cell is referred to by its unique address or cell reference, which is the coordinate of the intersecting column and row. For example, cell reference C6 refers to the cell located at the intersection of column C and row 6. Name box. The cell reference of an active cell is displayed in the name box. Grid lines. The horizontal and vertical lines representing the rows and columns on the worksheet are called grid lines. Mouse pointer. The mouse pointer is displayed as a block plus sign whenever it is located in a cell on the worksheet. Another common shape of the mouse pointer is block arrow. Scroll bars. Scroll bars are used to move the window around the view different parts of the active worksheet. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the worksheet window that displays the progress of current task and controls for viewing the worksheets. Views of worksheet. Excel provides access to three different views of your worksheet. Zoom controls. They are used to enlarge or reduce the view of the worksheet. That's all about the components of Excel window. Thank you.